Calculate the volume of rectangle tank and how much liquid is inside the rectangle tank. So this is our today's topic. To watch more lecture like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel Civil Engineering Global. Let's draw the rectangle tank first. W is the width, L is the length, H is the total height, and F is the filled height. The filled, that how much liquid is inside. So as we know, the total volume of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by width multiplied by height. So let's take an example. In this example we have length is equal to 8 feet, width is equal to 5 feet, height is equal to 10 feet, and filled volume and filled height is equal to 7 feet. So this is the data in this example. Let's calculate the volume of the tank. So for volume of the tank, V is equal to L multiplied by width multiplied by height. So V is equal to 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10. This will give you the volume is equal to 400 cubic feet. So this is the volume of the tank. Let's convert this volume, which is in cubic feet, to US gallons. So we know how much US gallons is there. So as we know, 1 cubic feet is equal to 7.48 US gallons. So this will becomes 400 multiplied by 7.48, which will give you 2992.21 US gallons. So this is the volume of the total tank. Let's find the volume of the liquid inside. How much liquid is in there? So as we know, the volume V is equal to L multiplied by W multiplied by F. Here the height will be the filled height. So this will become 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So the volume is equal to 280 cubic feet. Again, this is in cubic feet. Let's convert this into US gallons. As we all know that 1 cubic feet is equal to 7.48 US gallons. So this will becomes 280 multiplied by 7.48, which will give you 2094.55 US gallons. So this is the volume of the liquid in US gallons, at how much liquid is inside, and this is the volume of the tank in US gallons. So that's it. This was our today's lecture. Thanks.